to be building it, I'm going to be making it smaller. After long heart searching and thinking, we are going to make this smaller so we can make the house behind bigger. And if we planned really well, this wouldn't be happening. But I'm basically going to shorten the shed by this much. So, watch and follow along as I cut my shed in by a third. So there you go, that's the video, and there are quite a few things that I haven't covered, and yes, it's now finished. You can see from this footage that it's finished, and we're using it as a garden office for both myself and my wife. It did cost around £6,000. Things I haven't included, I've even made a list in the video. Things like the electrics and the Wi-Fi. It's fully part P'd electrics now in there, linked into the house. Wi-Fi, we have the router in the shed and then cable under the ground into the house. Insulation and walls. In the walls, I put 100 mils insulation in all of the walls, and in the ceiling. Plasterboard, we had to put plasterboard on the ceilings because we put spotlights in the ceilings, and that's for fire regs in the UK, just to be safe. And then the walls I clad in plywood and then painted it all. It's a lovely space. It's not that hard to do, and if you have any questions, I'm sure you might have some questions, then feel free to put them in the comments below and I will do my best to answer them. If you want videos on how I did specific things, because I know I skipped over a load of stuff, like how we did the foundations, or why we did things in certain orders, or whatever, what materials we used, what tools I used, then let me know in the comments below. Aside from that, I hope you like this video and give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.